Okay, so we're looking at this part of the questions where they ask you to write the balance equation for the reaction of nitrogen and hydrogen to get ammonia, calculate the relative molecular mass, and also the volume of ammonia. Okay, volume of ammonia from the volume of nitrogen. So let's do step by step first. We will balance the equation, then we will write the relative molecular mass, and then we'll do finding the volume. Okay, so this is the equation that you can write based on the question. So if we balance it, we will need a 2 here to balance the nitrogen, and to balance the hydrogen, we will need a 3 here. Okay, so this is the balanced chemical equation, and they ask us to include state symbols. So this is nitrogen gas, this is hydrogen gas, and this is ammonia gas. Okay, so our equation is balanced. Now, relative molecular mass of ammonia. So 14 for nitrogen, hydrogen 3 times 1, 17. Again, relative molecular mass has no units. Only molar mass has units, but relative molecular mass has no units. Okay, so we move on. So if we go by mole ratio in an equation, and we compare nitrogen and ammonia, because they want us to find the volume of ammonia. So we compare nitrogen and ammonia, the mole ratio is 1:2. So we have 1:2. And since for gases, mole ratio equals to volume ratio, we know that the volume of our nitrogen is given as 6. Okay, so we write the mole ratio one more time, equals to volume ratio, which is 1:2. And since we know that our volume of nitrogen is 6 and ammonia is always double, so the volume of ammonia will be 12 dm cubed. Okay, so this is how we find out what is the volume of ammonia. So in this situation, we do not need to do number of moles, because immediately mole ratio equals to volume ratio, and we can get the answer, 12 dm cubed.